Myself, Dr. Suprit, welcomes you all in the daily weather briefing of India Meteorological Department. Today's date is 14th February. We will start with the weather observed during last 24 hours. So, cold wave to severe cold wave like conditions were prevailed in isolated pockets of Himachal Pradesh. Also, dense fog reported in isolated pockets of Odisha. A light to moderate rainfall and snowfall at many places over Arunachal Pradesh also recorded. Then light rainfall over Assam, Meghalaya, Sub-Himalayan West Bengal and Sikkim is also reported, along with hailstorm in one or two places in Assam. Now we'll see the maximum temperature status recorded during past 24 hours. This image shows the maximum temperature recorded on 13th February yesterday. So during past 24 hours, day temperatures have fallen by 2 to 5 degrees centigrade at many places over southeast Uttar Pradesh, Madhya Pradesh and adjoining parts of Chhattisgarh and northeast Rajasthan. It has fallen by 1 to 2 degrees centigrade at many places over interior Karnataka, Bihar, north interior Karnataka, Vidarbha, Telangana, Delhi and remaining parts of Uttar Pradesh. It has increased by 1 to 3 degrees centigrade at many places over southeast Rajasthan and Gujarat state. Yesterday, the highest maximum temperature of 37.6 degrees centigrade was reported at Kurnool in Rayalaseema. Now, in this picture, we will see the departure of maximum temperature from the long period average. So, the day temperatures continue to be appreciably above normal to markedly above normal by 3 degrees centigrade to 6 degrees centigrade at many places over central and east India and at isolated places over western Himalaya region and northern parts of peninsular India. And day temperatures continue to be appreciably above normal 1 to 3 degrees centigrade at most places over northwest and northeast India. Now we'll see the minimum temperature recorded during last night. During the last 24 hours, night temperatures have fallen by 3 to 6 degrees centigrade over many parts of East India, and they are fallen by 1 to 3 degrees centigrade over some parts of central and northwest India, northeast India and northwest plains. And also they were raised, night temperatures, that is minimum temperature, were raised by about 1 to 3 degrees centigrade at few places over Rajasthan and south peninsular India. And today's lowest minimum temperature of 4.2 degrees centigrade is reported at Adhampur, Punjab. Now we'll see in this picture departure of minimum temperatures from the long period average. So the night temperatures or minimum temperatures were appreciably above normal by 3 to 5 degrees centigrade at few places over southwest Rajasthan and Gujarat state. And these night temperatures were also appreciably above normal by 1 to 3 degrees centigrade at isolated places over Punjab, Bihar, Odisha, Assam, Meghalaya, north interior Karnataka, and they were appreciably below normal by -3 to -5 degrees centigrade at isolated places over central and east India, Telangana and Andhra Pradesh, and rest of the country it was near normal. Now we'll see the synoptic system prevailing. A north-south trough in lower and middle tropospheric westerly runs roughly along longitude north 93 degree east to the north of latitude 24 degree north, that is in northeast India. Also, a fresh western disturbance is likely to affect western Himalaya region from 17th February 2025. Today's highlight or main point is a gradual rise is forecasted in both minimum and maximum temperature, and this is likely over plains of northwest India and adjoining central India by 2 to 5 degrees centigrade during 15th to 18th February. And now we'll see the forecast of temperature for next 5 days. First we'll take the maximum temperature. So no significant change in maximum temperature likely over plains of northwest India during next 24 hours, and then gradual rise is forecasted by 3 to 5 degrees centigrade. Thereafter, gradual rise in maximum temperature by 2 to 4 degrees centigrade is likely over central India during next 3 to 4 days. No significant change in maximum temperature likely over east India during next 2 days, and gradual rise by 2 to 3 degrees centigrade thereafter. Also over Maharashtra, no significant change in maximum temperature is likely over Maharashtra during next 24 hours, and then gradual rise by 2 to 3 degrees centigrade is forecasted. Over Gujarat region, no significant change in maximum temperature during next 3 days, and then gradual rise by about 2 degree is forecasted. And over South India, no significant change in maximum temperature is likely over South India during next 2 days, and then gradual rise by 1 to 2 degrees centigrade is forecasted thereafter. In case of minimum temperature, so over plains of northwest India, no significant change in minimum temperatures during next 24 hours, and after that gradual rise by 3 to 5 degrees centigrade over the region is forecasted, except Rajasthan, where it is likely to rise by 2 to 3 degrees centigrade during the subsequent 3 to 4 days. and gradual rise in minimum temperature by 3 to 5 degrees centigrade likely over central India during next 3 to 4 days. No significant change in minimum temperature likely over East India during next 2 days, and gradual rise by 2 to 4 degrees centigrade is forecasted thereafter. Rise in minimum temperatures by 2 to 3 degrees Celsius likely over Maharashtra during next 4 to 5 days, and no significant change in minimum temperature likely over Gujarat region during next 3 days, and thereafter gradual rise is forecasted by 2 degrees centigrade. No significant change in minimum temperature likely over South India during next 2 days, and then gradual rise by 1 to 2 degrees centigrade is forecasted thereafter. Now we'll see the subdivision-wise weather warning. For day 1, cold wave warning is given at isolated places over Himachal Pradesh, which will continue for the next day also. Apart from that, sub-Himalayan West Bengal and Sikkim, dense fog warning at isolated places is given, that is for day 1 and day 2. And then thunderstorm warning is given for today over Arunachal Pradesh at isolated places. And apart from that, for day 3 to day 7, there is no other major warning given for any other region of country. For more details, you can log in to our website mausam.imd.gov.in, or you can associate yourself with our social media handles. Thank you for watching. Namaskar. Jai Hind.